Hello dear students. So we are in this video we are starting quadratic equations. This is class 10 fourth chapter, how to solve quadratic equations, how to find the roots of quadratic equation, and how to use quadratic formula, what is quadratic formula, and we'll solve some question from the textbook. So we already know what is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is a polynomial equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, but it's equal to 0, then only you will call as equation, where a and b, c are real numbers. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Here a is 3, b is 2, c is 1. If I'll write a is 0, what will happen? A is 0. When a is 0, there will be no x square. It will be only a linear equation. So we have to identify that a will not be equal to 0 and the highest power of x would be your 2. So what is the difference between polynomial and equation? Polynomial is only x square plus bx plus c, and when it is equal to something, then it is equation. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, may be equal to something else. So this is the equation. So next we'll identify your quadratic equation. So this is your exercise 4.1, question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So I'm taking part 1. I'll expand the left hand side. A plus b whole square is 1 plus twice x, and right side I'm getting 2x minus 6. So if you'll see that it will be x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 6 is 0. So here I am getting x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Here b a is 1, b is your 0 because x term is not there, c is 7. So 1 is quadratic equation. Now coming to second one. It will be x square minus 2x, and in right side it will be minus 6 plus 2x. So how much am I getting? X square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 is 0, or x square minus 4x plus 6 is 0. So this is again a quadratic equation. Now coming to third one. So it is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So if we multiply both left and right and separately, I am getting x square, I am getting x minus 2x minus 2. In the right side, I am getting x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. If we'll simplify or take all the things to left hand side and simplify, I'll get x square minus x square minus x minus 2x minus 2 plus 3 is 0. So you will observe that they are cancelled. So I am getting minus 3x plus 1 is 0. So this is not a quadratic equation because there is no x square term. So this is not a quadratic equation. So 3 is not a quadratic equation. I hope you can solve other parts. Now next coming to roots of a quadratic equation. A real number alpha is said to be root of the quadratic equation if ax square plus bx plus c is 0. That equation becomes again 0 if I'll put in place of x, I'll put alpha. Then it will be a into alpha square plus b into alpha plus c is 0. If this is possible, then it is a root of equation. For example, I'll take x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. I am checking whether 1 is a root of this. So what I'll do, in place of x, I'll put 1. So it will be 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. It will be 1 plus 3 plus 2. That will be 6. So it is not equal to 0. So what will be my conclusion? 1 is not root of the equation x square plus 3x plus 2 is 0. Now I am taking another example, x square minus 3x plus 2 is 0. Let me try whether 1 is a root or not. So again I'll put x is equal to 1. So it will be 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. It will be how much? 1 plus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3. So it is getting 0. So what will be a conclusion? 1 is root of x square minus 3x plus 2 is 0. So this is the meaning. Now the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c 0 are the same as the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c. We have already finished polynomial. In the polynomial, we were finding the zeros. This is same as your when it is written in the form of equations. Now, how we get the roots of the equation? We get roots of the equation by solving a quadratic equation. It can be done by three methods. One is factorization, one is completing square method, and third is using quadratic formula. Factorization, some part you have already learned, and here I want to mention that here I am not practicing this. I won't help you to practice, only I'm giving example of one type, and for practicing I'll make separate videos. I'll solve many questions. So first I'm going for factorization. Factorization is same as you've done for the polynomial, same method, only the way of writing will be slightly different. Here what we do, we factorize the quadratic polynomial and make each of the factor as 0 and find the value of x. This is the method. But unless I give example, you won't understand. So the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c can be found by equating 0 of the linear factor of ax square plus bx plus c. I am going for one example. Find the roots of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is 0 by factorization. Now if you will recall the fact, suppose it was a polynomial, then we were doing by this method. We are splitting the middle term. If we will multiply, you will get 6, and if we will add, we get 5. That means this will be 3 plus 2. Now here it is a minus sign. I should not write plus. Minus plus 3. Then if we'll separate it, it will be 2x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 3. I'm just splitting the middle term, and I am factorizing 2x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 3. You know how to factor this. You will take x common, 2x minus 3 out of these two. I took x common, and here I took minus 1 common, 2x minus 3. So I am getting 2x minus 3 into 2x x minus 1. So this is the factor of this. Now equating this as 0, we'll get two values of x. But I am showing how to write this solution of this quadratic equation. So first we'll write the question, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, then you'll write either implies that or you'll put a or. So 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is 0. Next, or 2x taking common, I'm getting x minus 1 minus 3 common x minus 1. And at each step you have to write is equal to 0 because this is an equation. So x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 is 0. After factorization, I'll write now either one factor, that is x minus 1, this is 0, or 2x minus 3 is 0. Now from x minus 1 is 0, I am getting x is equal to 1. Now 2x minus 3 is 0, so I am getting 2x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 by 2. So I got one value x is equal to 1, another is x equal to 3 by 2. So roots of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 are, one is 1, one is 3 by 2. So you can practice some more questions. Now completing square method. So this is slightly needs your thinking. So if you can think clearly, then it is easy. Otherwise, sometimes we feel it difficult. But you should learn the method because this comes in the examination. Now, why do we add and subtract the suitable constant to club x square and x terms to form a quadratic equation so that they become a square, complete square? Then we take the square root and solve the for x. Now let me go for example, then you will understand better. So same equation I am taking, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is 0. And how it has been suggested that make a whole square on the left hand side. Complete square, complete square. But 2 is not a whole square. So I'll make into whole square by multiplying 2. So that it will be 4x square. And when I'll multiply 4 in the left hand, I need to multiply right hand also. So first step is make the square as a square. Whatever it will be, ax square will be a square. So multiply by a. If it is 1, no need of multiplying. If it is 2, multiply with 2. If it is 3, multiply with 3. Whole equation. This is the first step. First step is your multiply with a. So what I am writing, a 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. I am multiplying whole by 2. So I am getting 4x square minus 2 is also multiplied with 5 minus 10x. 6 is also 3 into 2 plus 6 is 0. So next step is I'll separate the constant to right side. I'll write constant to shift it to right side. So this will be minus 6. Next, here you need the thinking. What should be added here? What should be added here so that it will be a complete square? That means I have got a square, that is 2x whole square. I have got 2ab, yeah, minus 2ab, whatever it may be. If it is negative, I have got minus 2ab. If it is plus, it is plus 2ab. I need a b square. Then only it will be a plus b whole square, or it will be a minus b whole square. So for that, what is the hint? Hint is 2ab term is your minus 10x. And what is a here? A is 2x. Why? 4x square is equal to 2x whole square. So now you have to think of minus 10x. I will get, I have already 2, I have already 2x. What should be b? So it will be 5 by 2. So that when we will cancel, it will be 10x. That means b is 5 by 2. When b is 5 by 2, what will be b square? B square will be 5 by 2 whole square, or it will be 25 by 4. So 25 by 4, I have to add both the sides because it is an equation. Whatever you will add in the left hand, you have to add on the right hand. From where I got 5 by 2? 5 by 2, I'll compare this middle term as your 2ab. Out of this is 2x whole square, so 2a is 2x, a is 2x, and 2ab is 10x. So how much it should be? 2 into 2x into what should be your 10x. Certainly it will be 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 square, I'll add it. More practice will do when I'll get some more question in a separate video, because I want to only explain the concept here in the quadratic equation. So it will be 5 by 2 whole square. I'll multiply. What is 5 by 2 square? That will be 25 by 4. So I'll write minus 10x, and here 25 by 4 on left hand side, and minus 6 plus 25 by 4 on right hand side. So if you observe the left hand side, I have made a square, that is 2x, and it is negative here, so 2x minus 5 by 2 square. Now coming to right hand side. Right hand side I am simplifying. 4 is LCM. This will be minus 24 plus 25. That will be 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. And whose square is this? It is 1 by 2 square. So I am getting, or implies that 2x minus 5 by 2 square is equal to half square. Now I'll take square root both the side. I'll take square root both the side. So when I'll take square root both the side, I'm getting 2x minus 5 by 2. Either it will be 1 by 2, or 2x minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Why? Because 1 by 4 can be plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 can be minus 1 by 4 square. 1 by 2 square. So once I'll write plus, once I'll write minus, because we know that it is a quadratic equation. I'll get two values. So first simplifying, 2x is equal to minus 5 by 2 shifted. So plus 5 by 2, it will be 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So 2x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 by 2. So I got one value, one root. Now coming to second one. 2x is equal to minus half plus 5 by 2. That will be 4 by 2, that is 2. Then 2x is equal to 2. How much will be x? X is equal to 1. So 1 root is 3 by 2, 1 root is 1. So this is the method of completing square. Next is using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is, we are taking b square minus 4ac. If the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, here this term is very important, which help in directly we can put in the formula. No need of thinking, no need of completing the square. We'll write x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is quadratic formula. Plus minus means once I'll put plus, I'll get one value. Once I'll get minus, I'll get another value. And b square minus 4ac must be either 0 or greater than 0, or we can say it is positive. So this is quadratic formula. You can note down and we'll learn how to find the solution. Now let us learn something more about this b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac is discriminant. What is its use? Its use is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there are two distinct roots, different roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then there are equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there is no real roots. So no need of calculation. No need of calculation. So we'll simply write that there is no real roots. And this discriminant, sometimes it is written as d, which is b square minus 4ac. Or we write x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by twice a. We can remember in short, d is discriminant. So b square minus 4ac must be either greater than 0 or equal to 0. Then only we'll go for calculation. That means where is a? A is here. B square minus 4 into a into c. So let us find a question. This is the same question. You have already found it. One root was 1, other was 3 by 2. So here we'll use the quadratic formula. So what is a here? A is your 2. What is b? B is negative 5. C is 3. Then we'll go for d or discriminant. What's it? B square minus 4ac. Now b square means minus 5 square. This is same as plus 5 square. Minus 4 into 2 into 3. And this will be multiplied first. So 25 minus 4 2's 8, 3's are 24. So this is 1. The value of the discriminant is 1. It is positive. So it has real roots. We can go for it. Then I'll write x. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over d by twice a. So whenever you solve the question, write the formula so that it can be remembered easily. No need of mugging it. So x is equal to minus b. So here x is negative, b is negative, and for formula it is negative. So negative into negative, that means it will be minus 5 minus 5. Or directly you can write, when it is negative, you can write directly positive. But I am writing because it is not always negative or it is not always positive. It depends on the value of b. If b value is negative, then it will be automatically positive. Plus minus root d. D is how much? 1 upon 2. A is how much? 2. A is 2. So, or x is equal to 5 plus minus square root of 1, 1 upon 4. So here there are two hidden values. One is you are taking plus 1 by 4. That will be 6 by 4. 6 by 4 will be simplified to 3 by 2. Again x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 4. So here I took plus 1. Here I took 1's plus, 1's minus. Minus 1 by 4. So x is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So there are two roots. One is, roots are 1 and 3 by 2. So next time we will go for the word problems based on the quadratic equations. There we will get chance to understand more about how factorization done. Quadratic formulas are used and completing the square is done. In different questions, we'll practice a lot. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Bye.